What's going on, guys? We got a rare no heat call here in Texas. It's, you know, in the 40s. Gets into the 30s at night, so I know all y'all on the East Coast and up north are rolling your eyes at that, but hey, we ain't used to it. Alrighty, got a LENNOX package unit on top of the YMCA here. The blower's kicking on for like 1 or 2 seconds and kicking right back off. Boom. Boom. So it's something low voltage. Check my contactors, check my thermostat. Getting low voltage to everything. It's coming in from the thermostat. The contactors are good. They ohmed out like 7 or 8 ohms. Then I finally got over here to the heat kit and realized there's a little more to it. Got a contactor, got your fuses, whatever. This contact right here was kicking everything out. It's getting voltage to it. While I was troubleshooting I thought maybe, okay, it's that time delays not holding in, blah blah blah. You can see this guy right here. It was pushed in there where you couldn't really see it. And as I was sitting there pushing my leads in, trying to figure out, you know, where I was losing my voltage at, or what wasn't holding in, I noticed some little spare strands hanging out, and hell, it was just holding in by one little strand on that bitch. And it was just enough where it kind of, and then it couldn't hold in the kind of, low amperage or voltage or whatever to hold that contactor in. But now comes the fun part of trying to figure out how to get that back in there, to pull that plug off of there and redo the end. But yeah, it's just something, I don't know, it's kind of a weird situation. It was really, I was like, man, everything looks like, but yeah, luckily I found a yanked out wire. I guess it was like that from the factory. So if y'all have something like that, man, check all your connections, because just one of them things. Y'all have a good one.